Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. These spicy dill pork rinds from Southern Recipe are such a great alternative to chips. I love these because there is so much protein. Sometimes I lack protein in my diet, so I know that these are giving me that good source of protein. There is 14 grams of protein in just one serving of these, which is excellent. These are fantastic to take with you to work, to eat while you're relaxing, or even while you're watching TV. I enjoy these so much. I'm the type of person who absolutely loves the crunch and the flavor of different things. And these spicy dill pork rinds definitely give me that exact experience that I'm wanting. Each individual pork rind definitely has a nice coating of flavor on it, and it gives your taste buds just that dance of wonderfulness. I am so happy to have these in my everyday life, and if you're looking for something that's a great alternative, definitely try these out, but that's my point of view.